What is the value of learning, man? You learn. Why? Because you want to be informed. Okay? But be careful on what you're trying to learn. You have to be conscious if it's going to be a good thing or a bad thing for you or other people. So, what you learn, do it for good. The good of humankind. Uh, get it this topic because AI is a very powerful tool. I've been watching on YouTube about artificial intelligence applications like HARPA, blah blah blah, everything, Gemini on their Facebook, right? You'll be able to see their AI tools, which either could help you or misinform you and mislead you to thinking that it's very easy. Okay? Use it. There are free tools that you can use on Google. Again, I'm not an expert, technical expert on this, on AI. And I'm just exploring on the possibilities of how to use it. Well, I kind of enjoy it also. You could ask anything about it, about what you want, okay? On how you want to treat your YouTube channel, how to find your niche, how to run your business and everything, productivity. I don't know, man. AI is taking over the world, okay? So be careful on how you use it. You will learn from it, but again, where are we? Where are we? Oh, okay. I thought I was lost on the track. Again, don't be too overconfident about using tools that are too powerful that you are not able to control. Okay? As Spider-Man said, oh no, the dad of Peter, great responsibility. With great power comes with great responsibility. Nothing? Well, my ideas again are disorganized. But anyway, you could use AI to guide you through what you want to implore on your content. Just like with your videos, I use ChatGPT to get some ideas and would answer you, man. Literally, it will guide you. Make it a guide. Don't make it okay. Oops. Oh. Look at that. See that? And I'm holding my bicycle with one hand. Ouch. Okay, again, learn from it, but don't dwell too much on it. Okay? Don't worship it. Go for it, but be responsible in using it. Okay? Now, why am I telling this? Because, as I've said, AI can guide you with topics that you want to search. Actually, it has become my my assistant for how many months already? Since I knew about ChatGPT. I think it was last year when I started blogging again, contemplating on what ideas to blog, and it has helped me find that direction, that pathway of what to discuss. You know, it will store your searches on that what do you call that? Timeline. It will save those searches, and you will be able to go back. Again, it is a free tool. Okay, there's a plus, a plan, but you know you can always get a book if you find something that is very interesting that has been given to you by AI. Read the book. Also, look for it. There's no substitute in holding a book, not an ebook. It's very satisfying. Okay, you might say that, yeah, you're an OG, an old guy. I am. I'm 54, and I still enjoy reading. Okay, other topics, not on my profession. Hey, you say? Man, of course, man. I spent 10 years reading same old books. Asking me if I want to discuss? No. As I said, there are a lot of gurus out there, teachers out there, okay, AI, and I'm not the type of person that want to be overconfident on this and that, and to tell you or teach you. It's up to you. It's really up to you. It's up to us to learn. Okay? How many minutes? Oh, okay. That's why continuously you have to upgrade yourself. Okay? Don't be overwhelmed with information. Focus on one topic at a time. Okay? AI will give you that focus. Again, use it responsibly. Okay? If you're studying, do your work, do your homework. Okay? There's a lot of information on this booming technology. Okay? Oh, man. Where am I? Oh, okay. I'm going to turn around again. And it's kind of rocky on that pathway. Well, once again, if you're new to my channel, this is Werner. This is my life in motion. Okay? And with God's graces and promises and fulfillments, blessings as always. Cheers. Cheers, 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 cheers. In order to succeed, we must fail. Okay? God bless.